President Bush might order multiple strikes on Osama bin Laden's known protectors in Afghanistan, which may be occurring right now. Intelligence intercepts may help him pick other targets in terrorist nations. That is all speculation, but it is very much in the realm of possibility. Meanwhile, we are told that the majority of the dead and wounded here at the Pentagon are Army personnel. Some 35 to 40 naval personnel are still unaccounted for, friends and our neighbors. And by the way, that extraordinary videotape that you saw of the Pentagon moments after the crash here was taken by my longtime pal and buddy, cameraman Mike Fercucci. I was to meet him here this morning, was late in traffic. He arrived before me and passed just in front of the helipad and that crash scene less than a minute before the explosion of the jetliner into the Pentagon. Kathleen, back to you.
Powerful.